Sunday morning. It's been long time that I'm actually out of my own home, even though I'm, in such a good place, natural place where I can see those hills, those tea gardens. These are just away around 25 kilometers my home, but still I was unable to put that effort to get out of my home and enjoy this thing. I think we need to do some kind of justice to our eyes, to our mental health. So probably this is the reason that today I thought of, just come out, take some vitamin D that actually we are getting free of cost from the nature. Don't mind. And see, so beautiful tea gardens. And the other side, this is not the hill actually. So once we go another 5 kilometers, so that is the Nagaland border, and we can see, probably I can show you some hilly terrain probably on the way, but this is a tea garden and the other side is the Nagaland border. So from my home it was around, so far it's around 30 kilometers. This is my bike. I thought of park my bike and I have seen that beautiful tea garden. See the nice valley. Thought of going for a small hike. I don't know, it will be hardly 1 kilometer. But looking at the scenery, it looks quite attractive for me. So let's go and enjoy the beauty. Whenever I come in this kind of greenery place, one of the challenges I need to face is that I want to take lots of photographs and all. But the challenge is that due to the time limit, and while you are on a pace or you are going on a cycling, so you don't want to stop here and there, right? So even though if it is a very nice place, so that's, it's a kind of mental struggle. I need to make some kind of decision whether I need to stay in this spot, stop in this spot and take this beautiful picture. For example, here you can see this beautiful valley over here, and fortunately I am walking, so I have quite enough time, so probably due to that reason I could able to capture this nice scenery. So normally what actually we used to pick the tea leaf, not the bigger leaf. They used to pluck that smaller tea. So we Assamese in call kuhi pat, so this is the baby leaf. If I talk about how tall that the tea trees are, so you can see the compare, you can just compare. So this is the I think this will be around 5 to 7 years old, this tea, and this is the height of the tea actually. So you can see, definitely I am at this range, but probably you can guess. So this is a leaf. See, this is actually beautiful, quite beautiful, right? So normally in Assam, the tea actually where the production is very good. So normally those places are little bit ups and down, not much of elevation, maybe 50 to 100 meters of ups and down. So this is a nice place, you can see. So I thought of coming for this weekend to have a good vibe of nature, the greenery. Those are the workers. I think this is a lunch time. पानी पाम नहीं पानी पाम नामटी जाम এটা পানী এটা ফিল্টাৰ পানী জৰুৰতে পাবলৈ দিগদাৰটো এটা য'তে পাওঁ তাতে লৈ লওঁ আৰু It's very relaxing. In a sunny weather, if you can feel this kind of breeze, It's really makes sense, and it's a heaven whenever actually you get a chance to stay in a place under the sun, but safe. And it's quite green here. There is not much pollution, all greenery. I really forgot that I was whole week actually I had to sit in front of the LCD. Now actually it's a justice to my eyes that actually I can relax a bit. It's amazing. See this little creature, quite relaxing.